Hi guys!
Hi guys, and
Welcome to my channel. So, for today's video, we are going to do a haul. We're going to do a haul. We are Shein haul. Jan! So, we got the package from Shein.
Mine!
It's mine.
Mine!
So, let's open it.
Open it.
Show them.
Mine!
Let's open it. Da, tanawan hambong. Da.
My bobo!
Oh, guniti.
Okay.
Dihagbong niya.
It's in
So, let's open it. Ay, hambong di. So, asa man ito mag-start? So, here. This is here.
Mommy?
Wait lang, open sana to. Excited ka? Go, hindi ko kabri. Wala na, open na.
Mommy?
God, no! OMG. It's so cute.
Mommy, tanawa.
Tanawa. Sige.
Oh, Mommy!
Let me show you.
Mama!
What's this? Hello! It's so cute!
Wow!
Octopus. Open na to, open.
Yes!
You can't wait to play. It's
It's
reversible. Wait lang, wait. No, so cute. Octopus. Oh, it's color blue and color pink. Oh, it's reversible. Oh, suko. Angry. It's suko. Dahil mo na-play suko. Sige, kani. Smile. Happy siya. Happy. Hala, ano man ang sa ulo? Hala, wow!
Open!
My glass.
I hear them.
It's mine. Another one.
I do one.
Oh my god. It comes with, I don't know, panggikit.
One more! Mommy, one more!
Shein.
It's the first.
This is a tapestry. Can't wait to
Mama,
put this on the... Look! Suko ka? Oh my god. Let me show you. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a tapestry.
Octopus one, blue one, pink now
Look
one.
at, wow, sun. This is a tarot. I forgot, but
Today!
it's so
Another
cute.
puss.
Oh no, background.
Today!
Bill. No.
I did an
So
octopus.
cute. Oh my god. Hello, Jalen. So, good siya for background pictures.
Blue and pink.
Can't
Today.
wait na dyan to dikit this. Now, kahulat. Dikit ni. Wow. Wow!
Hoy,
Sa
Mom.
octopus. It's mine. It's mine. So cute. Oh, suko ka, suko. Hala ka, cute. It's mine. Also tong ano. Oh my god.
Look, Mommy!
Hala, nagbong. Daming airpad.
One more!
Wait lang. Hindi ko sa na to. Dali lang.
Today.
Ano ka? Kapoy. So, look how cute. Smile. So happy.
Mommy,
And another, I ordered a bucket hat as well from Shein. So it's so cute. Oh, down. So
Whoa! Me first!
it's floral. Wait, where are you?
Peekaboo!
Asa ito pa to? Another one
Mama,
is a frog.
more a frog!
Because I am a frog. Oh, look,
Me.
cute siya, oh. It's mine. So cute. From Shein as well.
Today.
Today, what? Ang ganda.
It's more, Mama. Mommy.
Share lang ko na ako.
Today.
Let me show you my bag.
Today.
I got this from Shein as well. So fluffy. Can you see? So cute. From Shein. Okay.
Mommy, let me see.
Okay, let's open the other. I just got this earlier. So I decided to do a haul before I sleep. Because I have a work na mamaya. Okay, I'm so excited. Napako yung maabot na order actually. Pero huwag pa ito maabot. Sabak mo labot. Sabak mo na ako pa. Kaya rin sa kumpanya. No, my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God, open ito. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Bad.
So cute. So excited. As usual, may ganito sila. Catalog. Is this a catalog? I don't know. No, it's not.
It's not catalog.
But that's it. You can see this on their website. The Shein brand, the different brands. I'm planning to buy something here sa She Glass.
Yes, I find.
They do have Emily Rose. So she. Oh my God, nahagbong na pod. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Asan yung octopus? Asan na? Tago octopus? Ito. My God, I'm so excited.
Octopus here.
One. Oh my God. Oh, cute.
Wow.
Nasa pa to? Oh my God, this is for the mask. I know, this is a necklace, strawberry. So cute. Let me open it. Smile. Mangilog lagi ka. Mangilog.
Oh no.
What's in po that? It's my octopus. It's so cute. Ayaw, dira ba magbong. Guniti sa dira, guniti. Open sa nato niyo. It's so
Strawberry. Wow.
Eat ka strawberry. Eat na it.
No,
Ang ganda. Alam mo, it's bagay sa mga outfit. Hello, so cute.
Mommy, I buy your station.
Color pink. Ang ganda.
Color red.
So cute, strawberry. It's a necklace. Dito siya bagay sa akong,
Blue.
it's perfect for this shirt. Okay, let's open the other one. What's this? Oh, it's also a necklace.
It's one.
Oh my God, it's so cute. Ayaw, don't touch it. Ah! Ayaw, ilagay niya. Hello, oh my God, I'm so
Oh my God. Strawberry.
Yes.
Oh my God, the strawberry.
Ang cute.
Oh my God, the strawberry.
Basta mo na siya.
No, strawberry.
It's also a necklace.
Wow,
Mga beads. Mga beads.
Wow, strawberry.
Sama na siya. Sobrang cute.
Strawberry.
Oh my God.
Yay.
I love it so much. I love it. Can't wait to wear this. Okay, this is the
Next
fun
one.
part. So, Shein as well. No, it's mine.
It's mine.
Wait lang, wait
It's
lang.
mine.
It's open. Oh my God, ang dami niya. So, wait, tignan mo, open na to. There's a lot. It's a butterfly. No, it doesn't fit so big.
It's too
So big on.
Mommy, wait first.
Wait lang, wait. Show sa ako tanan. Another one. It's cute, but oh, good. It fits. But that's it.
Oh.
It's so cute. And it's this one. Oh my God, ang ganda. I'm obsessed. Another one. Oh my God, it's cute.
Oh no, flower.
And it just. Asa man na ito?
I smell it. Smelly.
Smeddy ka dyan. Ang dami niya. There's a lot of rings right here. Oh, bag pa din siya. So you can put this here or whatever. So cute.
Oops.
I like this, but it doesn't fit on me. It's big, but it's cute. Like, oh my god.
Mommy, small. The guy.
Oh, hinay lang. Actually, there's a lot. I think it's 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 12 pieces. I don't know. It's also big.
More.
Oh, perfect.
Oh no.
Ang cute. Ang lapit. Ano na? Nagbong wala. Ayaw, yagbong. Ang baby. Suko na ko.
Sorry.
Oh, good. My sorry. Allah, so cute. Oh my god. I'm so obsessed. Can't wait to wear this na lahat. Oh my god. But anyway, may darating pa ako na order tomorrow. So, ito lang yung haul for today. Ang cute lang. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my god, B, ang cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. It's so cute.
Mommy, more. The guy go. The guy.
Benobi, smile.
The guy go.
I don't know. Basta, mauna na siya.
The guy go one.
Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See, so cute. Babe, pusang sarap kong biyasa ito. May nagbong. Ha! Nagbong siya. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.